front of me is Motorola Razr 30, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google passwords autofill. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, Google Autofill is disabled. But you can always enable it by tapping on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!